this medal last year. I was in Belgrade in U.S. Embassy, and we present a little statue in the embassy up there of Tesla, and I was awarded that as the #1 Serbian organization in diaspora here, in American diaspora. So that's, and I was proud because of Tesla. I was born maybe 30 miles from Tesla home in Croatia. I'm Serbian, but Tesla was born in Croatia actually. His father was a priest, Serbian Orthodox priest. Yeah, was a good man, wanted to do good things for the people. He has hundreds of inventions. Most people don't know.
He invented so many things.
He invented so many things.
Our system would not be what it
radio,
is today.
radio until recently. I was always saying Marconi. Yeah, he stole it. Prior to
AC
the radio,
energy.
3 years prior to that, he demonstrated the radio in France. And Marconi was just working for him as a student. Most people don't know. But everywhere, street Marconi and this guy, Tesla, they hardly recognize. You notice that?
Well, they didn't want it because he invented so many things that they're using now in their secret and the dark stuff.
When he invented the electricity to transport through the air, and the FBI come and they want to use for the like knocking down airplanes or something like that, military. That's when he decided to not show that to the people. But originally he wants to give free electricity to the people, and a tower says, no tower, no measuring, no, I want to give everything free to the people. And even today electricity,
could have been.
you know that prior to that, they had some kind of transformer every mile. But finally they recognized this electricity that he invented. It's a God blessing as far as concerning electricity itself, you know.
Imagine free electricity all over the world.
Yeah, can you imagine?
All the third world countries.
Edison wanted to know where they could put a meter. And he said, no meters. I want everybody to have free electricity.
J.P. Morgan said, I'll have no part of such charity, yanked him out, burned his lab down to the ground.
Yeah, so in Colorado, that tower that he built it.
Warden Cliff.
Yeah. Anyway, you done?